Yay me, Axel Mountain Adventures. Mountain Air Adventures. Anyways, Gus Johnson Trail. Lac Le Jeune. Let's go. Hey, and look, no smoke. Those who seek shall find. It's too bad all my brothers, all my family, I don't have any friends, couldn't come. But I'm enjoying this. I've gone on more bike rides in a year than most people go in their lifetime. I got a friend, 60 years old, hasn't been on a bike since he was 30. I don't get it. Gotta love the downhill. Look, Mom, no hands. Look, Mom, no teeth. God, no smoke here. How great. Kamloops is on fire for the last month, 2 months. Smoke everywhere, but not here. It's the beginning of August. It's a great day. I will be the only one on this trail. Now that's a happy face. God, this is healing. This was one of my mother's favorite part of this trail. It's pretty obvious why. Can I do it? I say yeah. Let's not hit any soft stuff. Big rocks. Oh, like that. Oh, shit. I shoulda. I used to sit here with my cockatoo, Bulu. And actually, there was a time when you could actually have fires in the summer. We'd roast hot dogs, she'd chew on wood. The joy of uphill is a great downhill. I guess that can be said about life too. Holy. Another downhill, let's go. Can we make it? Wow, yeah. I am so good to me. Chorizo, cheese, alioli, wisps, lamby. Gonna do a flight later. Beautiful.
Just breathe. Just
You'd think it was downhill all the way. Pays to have a good bike. Let's go to the dock and have a swim. How's that? Look at the lake. Beginning of August. Not a boat. Not a soul. Gorgeous day. That was fun. Swims, picnic. Now let's head back to the forest. Funny, I have maybe done the Gus Johnson Trail 100 times. I've always done it clockwise. It's my first time doing it counterclockwise. And I'm realizing there's more downhill counterclockwise than there is clockwise. That is hilarious and brilliant. Mountain Air Adventures. Come on, let's go!